Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 71 of Surah Al-An'am. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أندعو من دون الله ما لا ينفعنا ولا يضرنا قل قاف is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will be light and there will be tawassut on it. قل short and sharp. Nad for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sipah qalqala. This qalqala should be very clear. Nad ain from your throat. For dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Mia ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You're keeping your tongue straight. Your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of dal. You're hiding the sound of noon and keeping the sound of noon into your nose. Do for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Nillahi, noon is light. Lafz jalala will be light too because there is kasra before it. Nilla, la, lafz jalala is always long. He, for kasra give E sound. Ma, make sure you are not keeping the sound in your nose for the long vowels. Ma, la, 2 counts long. Ya, ikhfa, this ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. You're keeping the tongue straight. Your tongue should be your mouth should be very much ready to say letter fa, and you're hiding the sound of noon, keeping the sound in your nose. Fa, give hams and fa for fatha open jaws. Ain from your throat for the circle lips. The sound is short. Na, 2 counts long. For makhraj of waw, circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws. La, 2 counts long. Yeah is light. For fatha open jaws. God is heavy for the circle lips attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of the wasaq. And ra is heavy because there is the monet. Uru, na, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj for circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. Nu, for the circle lips. The sound is short. Raddu, ra is heavy. Fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of shidda. Rad, the makhraj will cut off the sound. Raddu, and for the circle lips. For first dal, your lips should be in a straight position, or what? And then for the second dal, you're circling your lips. Do, rad, do, ain from your throat, for patha on jaws. La, munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long or 5 counts long. La, Hamza is sharp. Put open jaws attached with the ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasat and should be from your throat nicely. Qaf is heavy for the circular lips. The alif beside qaf is also heavy because it is with heavy letter. V for kasra give E sound. Na, 2 counts long. Ba for fatha open jaws attached to ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasat and ain should be from your throat nicely. Da for fatha open jaws. إذ for kasra give E sound attached to dal. Dal will get sifa of hams and rakhawa. إذ ha is light for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Da, 2 counts long. Now this noon is not animated long because it is attached with the coming up letter. Lafz jalala will be light because they heavy because there is fatha before it. Now law, make it 2 counts long and make sure that you are not circling your lips to make lafz jalala heavy. Lips should be straight. Nallahu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Kal. Kaf is not anymore long because it is attached with the coming up letter. Kal. And give tawassut on lam. La. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. This. For kasra, give e sound. And make sure you engage the makhraj of dal by putting your tip of your tongue under the edge of your frontal two teeth, and then you are going to touch the makhraj of seen. Yes, it's a difficult position here, but yes, you can do it with your practice. This seen will get rakhawas, and it is light and it has safid. This ta is light, ha is light for fatha open jaws attached with ha will get sifa of rakhawa. What makhraj of waw circling your lips for fatha open jaws attached with ta will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. What, and make sure you are not going close to the makhraj of seen, otherwise this ta will hear like seen. What, whoosh, for the circle ellipse attached with sheen will get sifa of rakhawa, and make sure that your lips should not move while you are saying letter sheen. And yes, there will be the fashi too and sheen. Hush for fatha upon jaws. Yeah, 2 counts long and make ya light. The is heavy for kasra, keep e sound attached with yeah. This is uh, long vowel, make it 2 counts long, and make sure you keep the heavy. No, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Feel for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip off tawassut. Ow. Keep hamza very sharp for fatha open jaws, and keep hamza light because ra coming up ra is heavy because there is fatha before it. So hamza is not heavy, but ra is heavy. Ow. Ow. Li for kasra, give e sound. Dad is heavy. Hai, ha from your throat with hums for fatha open jaws attached it. Yeah. Yeah, this is Yailin. So you're making it soft. Hai, ra with fatha. Ra is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. La for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Hu, mad munfasil jais. Make it 4 or 5 counts long. Hu, as. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws and keep it light because Sod is heavy. Sod is heavy, not Hamza. Else, and Sod will be heavy. There's Raqawa and there's Safir on it. Ha, 2 counts long, and Ha should be from your throat with hums. Ha, bui. Idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yad. Keep ya light for fatha when jaws attached with dal. Dal gets sifa qalqala. This qalqala should be very clear. Yad. Ain from your throat for dhamma circle left. Make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. Hu mad munfasil jais. Make 4 or 5 counts long. E for kasra, give E sound. Lal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa tawassut. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Da. Oh, sorry. Da. 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 For fatha open jaws attached with hamza. So hamza will cut off the sound abruptly because hamza is shidda letter. It has shidda in it. It is a strong vowel letter. Da. T for kasra, give E sound. Na. 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy for Dhamma circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut and keep lam light. In for kasra, give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. Whenever noon and mim are with tashdid, they are getting akmal gunna. In with fatha. Fatha is very short. Who for the circle lips, the sound short. The law, keep that light, but lafz lala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. The law, 2 counts long. He for kasra give E sound. Who for Dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Well, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Make sure you're circling your lips. You're not engaging teeth in the makhraj of waw. No, it's not allowed. Only circle your lips and then your waw will be pronounced nicely. Well, give the wasat on lam. Who for Dhamma circle your lips, the sound is short. Da, 2 counts long. و مخرج واو circling your lips وفتح open jaws U for the ma circle lips the sound is short mir for kasra give E sound attached to raw will get sifa up the wasut and raw is light because there is kasra before it mir na 2 counts long li for kasra give E sound nus for the ma circle lips attached sin will get sifa for khawa and it is light and it has safir. Nusli for kasra give E sound. Ma for fatha on jaws the sound is short. Li for kasra give E sound the sound is short. Rav. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. Rav. Peel for kasra give E sound attached. Lam will get sifa up the wasut. Ah, 2 counts long. Ain should be from your throat nicely. La for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Mean. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is mad arid للسكون. قل أندعو من دون الله ما لا ينفعنا ولا يضرنا ونرد على أعقابنا بعد إذ هدانا الله ونرد على أعقابنا بعد إذ هدانا الله كالذي استهوته الشياطين في الأرض كالذي استهوته الشياطين في الأرض حيران له أصحاب يدعونه إلى الهدى ائتنا قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى وأمرنا لنسلم لرب العالمين مخرج of vowel is circling your lips and for open jaws the sound is short and sharp and نون gets صفاء التوسط and حكمه إظهار Hamza is very sharp for open jaws Qaf is heavy make it 2 counts long Mus meme is not any more long but it is attached with the coming of the letter Musa Sad will get sifa of Raqawa and it is heavy and it has Safir. Musa with Fatha. Sad is very short. La 2 counts long. And keep lam light. Ta for Fatha open jaws. The sound is short. What makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For Fatha open jaws attach it. Ta will get sifa of Shidda. The sound will be cut off nicely. What ta and with Fatha the sound is short. Ooh, ooh. Because of the spark, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid للسكون. واتقوه ومخرج of واو circling your lips فتح open jaws who for the ma circling lips the sound is short مخرج of واو circling your lips فتح open jaws attached lam will get sifa of the wasut La, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. The mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 or 5 counts long. And make sure when you are stretching the mud, your sound should not go into your nose. E for kasra, give E sound. Lay. This is yailin, so make it soft. He for kasra, give E sound. Do for dhamma, circle your lips, attach it. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is light and it has hums. Do sh for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Urun. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is madarat lis sukoon, and here you will get tawassut on noon because of the waqf, and here the ra will be heavy because it has dhamma on it. وأن أقيموا الصلاة واتقوه وهو الذي إليه تحشرون. ومخرج of vowel, circling your lips, fatha upon just who. For the ma circle your lips, the sound is short. Well, makhraj of vowel, circling your lips, for fatha upon jaws, attach with lam, lam will get sif of the wasut. La, for fatha, the sound is short. The, give the in dal, make it 2 counts long. Kha is heavy. And to make any letter heavy, you're lifting your tongue up, but you're not circling your lips. Kha is munfatiha letter. So kha, ghain, and qaf are the letters which are musta'aliya letters. They are heavy, but they are munfatih. So the sound the mouth should be open to when you are pronouncing these letters kha, ghain, and qaf. Kha and qa and gha. Kha, la, qas. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws, attached with sin. Sin let's sifa of raqawa. It has safir and it is light. Qas for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Wa, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Ti for kasra, give E sound. Well, makhraj is of bow, circling your lips. Fatha upon jaws, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Aru. Hamza is sharp, a fatha upon jaws attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it, and ra will get sifa of the wasut. The is heavy. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Bil, for kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Ha from your throat with hums. For fatha upon jaws attached with qaf. First qaf will get sifa of shidda. The second qaf will get qalqala, and this qalqala should be very clear. Haqqa, bilhaqqa. ومخرج of واو, circling your lips, fatha upon jaws. Yaw, wow lean, so make it soft. Yaw, ma, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ya is light, for fatha upon jaws. Qaf is heavy, for dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Long vowel should not go into your nose. Lu, for dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. This ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. Your mouth should be very much ready to pronounce fa. You're hiding the sound of noon, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because it has ikhfa. Fa, give hums in fa for fatha upon jaws. Ya is light for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Kun. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 or 5 counts long, and this is madarat lis sukoon. Qaf is heavy, make it nicely heavy, and this is lean, so make it soft. When you're making it soft, when you are attaching fatha with waw. Qawlu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Hul for the circle ellipse attached with lam, lam will get sifa of the wasut. Haqqa. Ha from your throat with hums for fatha upon jaws and attach with cough. First cough will get sip of shidda. The makhraj will cut off the sound, and the second cough will get sifa of qalqala. Haqq. و مخرج الفاء circling your lips for fatha open jaws the sound is short. لا for fatha open jaws the sound is short. هل for dhamma circle your lips attach with lam. Lam will get sif up the wasat. مول for dhamma circle your lips as you will touch lam. Lam your lips should be in a straight position and lam will get sif up the wasat. Ku for dhamma circle your lips the sound is short. Yaw wow lean so make it soft. Yaw ma for fatha open jaws. Yeah. For Dhamma circle your lips. As you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position but should not be stretched behind. And ikhfa is that you are keeping the sound in your nose. Your mouth should be ready to say makhraj of fa and yes. Yunfa for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Khu kha for dhamma circle lips the sound is short. Fis for kasra give e sound and then attach it sad. Sad will get sifa of raqawa. It is heavy and it has safir. Fis when you are stretching the sound, it should not go into your nose, and raw will be heavy because of this fuck. You are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat sukoon, and the other thing is that raw will get if off the wasat now because it is with sukoon, and raw will be heavy now because there is the ma before it. في الصور Ain from your throat, make it two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Mul for dhamma circle lips attached with lam, lam will get sip out the wasut. Ghain is heavy for ta open jaws attached with ya, this is lean, so make it soft, ya lean. B for kasra give e sound. Wash makhraj of power circling your lips for ta open jaws attached with sheen, sheen will get sip out the rakhawa and it has the fashi, and make sure you are not giving any shape to your lips. It is not allowed because sheen has nothing to do with your lips. So you are not moving your lips to say sheen. Wash for fatha upon jaws. Ha two counts long. The fatha upon jaws attached with ha. Because of the sbak, we have turned this ta into ha, and when it has turned into ha, it will get sifa of rukhawa because it is with sukun now because of the work. والشهادة و مخرج of circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Who for the circling lips the sound is short. Well for fatha open jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa of the wasut. Ha from your throat with hums. Ki two counts long. Mul for the circling lips attached with lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Kha is heavy for fatha open your jaws. Um, Bir. Because of this buff, you are giving temporary sukoon on ra. This temporary sukoon has turned this two count long vowel into four. This is mad adli sukoon, and ra will be light here because there is a ya before it now. So it is light because of the waqf. وهو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق ويوم يقول كن فيكون قوله الحق وهو الملك وله الملك يوم ينفخ في الصور وله الملك يوم ينفخ في الصور عالم الغيب والشهادة وهو الحكيم الخبير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك، أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت، أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.